fucking insane. Yo, we should have bunked up with people tonight.
Yeah, man.
Yo, those waves keep getting bigger.
And closer. Look at that.
That's...
Oh my god. That's what she was saying, that we're raised. You see how the stairs?
Yeah.
Those waves, right at the bottom of the stairs, they're there.
That's what I'm saying.
There's no beach anymore right now. For
That's
today.
what I'm saying. I'm like, we're not that far up. That's only one set of stairs. Look, you can see the bottom of the handrail. We're not that far up. Oh, fucking God.
Look, you can see the waves splashing on the railing. Like, I'm brave, but not this brave to go outside of this.
Wind's like probably like 200 miles an hour.
It's dying down now.
Kilometers at least.
Look at these waves coming in. Holy Christ. See that big, huge wave out there? See the white going across?
That's a wave?
That's a wave.
Foggy here.
That would be a wave.
Oh my.
Why the fuck did we ask for ocean view? Or did we get ocean view? We've got like the worst weather in the whole place. Because if we were back there, at least there's so many buildings to stop all this nonsense. We've got like first. Here you go.
And see why we're so terrified, because we know we're right fucking here.
Signing out.